The Met Department predicts showers exceeding 100 millimeters in several areas across the country today.
Showers or thunder showers are expected in the western, Sabaragamuwa, central and northwestern provinces and in the Gaul and Mathura district. Several spells of showers will occur in the northern province and in the Anuradhapura and Hambantota districts, according to the Met Department. Showers or thunder showers may occur at a few places elsewhere after 2 p.m. Meanwhile, a number of roads and low-lying areas were inundated owing to heavy rains in Colombo and a number of areas last night. A tree that collapsed at the Gaspaha junction in Fort this morning damaged a small lorry parked nearby and hampered the flow of traffic. The road has been cleared.